how does gross status CIS affect your mortgage application? So when you're a construction worker and paid CIS, there's a little known fact that you can still be paid on a scheme, but at the same time opt out of the CIS 20% deduction and agree to reconcile your tax bill at the end of the year. This is called gross status CIS. And it's a pain in the neck for using it to get a mortgage. But the good news is there is one very easy option to resolve it. I get it. Why pay all the tax through the year when you can have 100% of your earnings for 99% of the year and then pay the tax bill in one hit? Some construction workers will invest their money for a year and then withdraw it to pay their annual tax bill. But when it comes to getting a mortgage and wanting to use your CIS status to boost affordability, well, I'm afraid you can't have your cake and eat it. CIS-friendly mortgage lenders categorically will not accept gross status CIS under any circumstances. They will instantly treat you as regular self-employed and calculate your mortgage affordability from your annual profits. So here's the solution. Just stop it. Notify HMRC, revert to paying CIS tax at source at least until you've got your mortgage approved. Then you can revert back again. There's no real pain in this, aside from the money is now sitting with the taxman for a few months, rather than in your bank account. You're not gaming the system here. You're not committing some kind of mortgage grand larceny. This is just common sense tax planning so you can get the biggest mortgage from your CIS payment and deduction statements using your pre-tax income instead of your annual profits. But don't just take my word for it. Here's a review from Scott, an electrician, about this exact scenario.
When I approached David for a mortgage, my previous broker had no idea what CIS meant, let alone gross status CIS. David advised me to make the small change on my HMRC record to revert to paying 20% tax every month. I've now recently completed on a house that I never thought I'd ever reach. It's got a massive garden for the kids to play and a double garage to keep all my tools and equipment.
So if you want to be like Scott and in a position where you can buy your dream home in a much quicker timescale than you thought, I definitely recommend watching this next video, a complete guide to CIS mortgages. See you soon.